Hello students, today in this video we are going to study the concept of mensuration. Now see, in mensuration what you are going to study? You are going to study about the perimeter and area, about rectilinear figure. First of all, understand what is rectilinear figure. The figure which is formed by line segments, those type of figure are known as rectilinear figure. Example you can take as a rectangle, a square, a pentagram, rhombus. These all figures are known as rectilinear figure. So in this first topic, what we are going to study? We are going to study about rectangle. As you can see, perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth and area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now I will going to discuss some of the important properties of rectangle. Suppose this is a rectangle PQRS. In the case of rectangle, you all are knowing that opposite sides are equal and parallel. Each interior angles of rectangle measures right angle. So, if you want to calculate the perimeter of rectangle, what you will do? You will add all the sides. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. This side PQ represents the length of perimeter and RQ represents the breadth of this rectangle. So, formula is 2 into length plus breadth. So, perimeter means sum of all the sides, or you can say sum of all the boundaries. And this interior region covered by this rectangle, this interior region is known as area. So formula for the area is length into breadth. When we come in the case of a square, so in the case of square all the sides are same and all the angles measures right angle. So in the case of square, formula for the perimeter of square is 4 into side. And formula for the area is side into side, or this you can also represent as side whole square. When we come in the case of triangle, triangle formula is half into base into height. But remember one thing, this formula is applicable in the case of right angle triangle. When you are getting the scalene triangle, in that case this formula is not applicable. Suppose if you are getting a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, one angle is your 90 degree, triangle A, B, C. Opposite of 90 degrees will always be your hypotenuse. And hypotenuse is always the longest side in a right angle triangle. These two sides, this represents the height of triangle, this represents the base of triangle. So now the formula becomes half into base into height. We can apply Pythagoras theorem also to solve. So Pythagoras theorem states that hypotenuse square, it means AC square, is equal to base square, that is BC square, plus AB square, that is your perpendicular square. If any side is unknown, so we can calculate that side with the help of this Pythagoras theorem, and then we can apply the formula and calculate the area of triangle. Now we will do some questions based on these formulas. Okay. Now see, I have taken one question based on the concept of rectangle. In this question, I am going to cover the formula for the area and for the perimeter. Now the question is, the length and breadth of a rectangular field are in the ratio 3:2. Whenever the length and breadth are given in the ratio, it means that this ratio is multiplied by some quantity. So we can take, okay, now see here, I have taken one question based on the concept of area and perimeter. So it is written that the length and breadth of a rectangular field are in the ratio 3:2. Whenever the things are given in the ratio, we can suppose that value is multiplied by some unknown quantity. So we can take here, let the length be 3x and breadth be 2x. Area is given as 3, 4, 5, 6. whatever value is given, what we will do, we will apply the formula for the same value. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. So area is given as 3, 4, 5, 6. Value of length is 3x and breadth is 2x. So 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to 3 into 2, 6. X into x will be your x square. This 6 will come down. So 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6 is equal to x square. When we will cancel this value, when you are going to cancel this value, it will come 6, 3, 4, 5, 6 and it will cancel, so it will cancel by 2. 2 3s are 6, so 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16. Again this value will be cancelled by 3, so it will be cancelled 3, 5s are 15, 3 7s are 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21 and 3 6s are 18. So it will come 576 is equal to x square. When square is removed, it is changed to the square root sign. And square root of 576 is 24. So at the place of x, we will put here 24. So now the value of length is 3 into 24 is 72 meter and breadth is 2 into 24 is 48 meter. This is the length and breadth. Now the question is saying find the cost of fencing. Whenever you are getting the word fencing, it represents your perimeter. You have to calculate the perimeter in that case. Okay. Now see here, length we have got 72 and breadth I have got 48. Now we will calculate the perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So perimeter is 2 into 72 plus 48. So 272 plus 48, when we will solve it, it will come 120. And 2 into 120 will be your 240 meter. So this is the perimeter. Find the cost of fencing. For 1 meter, the cost is rupees 60. For 2, therefore, cost required will be your 240 multiplied by 60. When you will solve this value, multiply, you will get 14,040. So 14,400. So this is our final answer. So this is the question. In this question, I have discussed the concept of area and perimeter both. Now see the next question. Okay. Now see one question I have taken, and this question is based on the area of triangle. It is written that find the area of a triangle in which base is 42 and height is 25. So whenever the base and height is given, it always consider the case of right angle triangle. And the formula for the area of a triangle, this is half into base into height. So half into base, value of base is 42, value of height is 25. Now when you solve this, so 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So 21 now multiply by 25. It will come 525. So 525 centimeter square. Be very specific about writing the units, because in the case of area, you will take the unit as centimeter square or meter square, but in the case of perimeter, you will take the unit as meter or centimeter. Next question I have taken the case of a square. So question is find the area of a square, the length of whose diagonal is 8 root 2 meter. So in this question, diagonal is given as 8 root 2. So formula for the case of calculating the diagonal in the case of a square. So formula for diagonal of a square, that is root 2a, where a represents the side of a square. So for calculating the area, we have to take out the side. So diagonal value is given as 8 root 2 is equal to root 2a. Root 2 is cancelled from both the sides. Value of a is 8. It means the side of the square is 8. Now calculate the area of a square. So now area of a square will be your side multiplied by side. So here side is 8. So 8 multiplied by 8 is 64 meter square. So this is our final answer. So in this video I have discussed about the questions based on triangle, rectangle and square, and in next video I will come with some more questions and more concept of mensuration. Thank you.